This is going to be a video tutorial on how to resize images using Adobe Illustrator. I will be using Illustrator 2023 for this. Let me jump over to Illustrator here. Okay, I have Adobe Illustrator opened up now, and I have an image on my canvas here. This is just a PNG image I have here. I will show you how to stretch an image, and I will also show you how to resize an image while keeping its proportions. The way to stretch an image, first thing you want to do is click on the image to where you have it selected. I have the bounding box around my image, and I have all these anchor points all along the edge here. All you need to do to stretch the image is put your mouse cursor over one of those anchor points, and you can see the mouse cursor turns to arrows. Then you just hold down your left mouse button and drag out or drag in, whichever way you want to stretch it. I'm going to do about like that there. I'm going to press Control Z to back up. I'll stretch out the top part. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over that top anchor point. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag out to there, let go of it. That's how to stretch an image. To resize the image while keeping its proportions, say I wanted to make this picture bigger, but I want to keep its proportions. The way that I normally do it, I go to one of the corner anchors. I'll place my mouse cursor over the corner. You can see it changes to arrows, and then I will hold down the left mouse button and begin to pull out. But at the same time, I'm going to hold down my Shift key. And then no matter what I do, it's going to keep its proportions. I'm going to make it about like this. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. I'll let go of the Shift key now. That is how you resize an image using Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.